Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 27 avril. Il faut travailler à Duolingo 7, c'est pour le 1er mai. Remember to work on your Duolingo each time we have class for at least 10 minutes so that you can get your assignment completed by the due date of May 1st. So you're going to continue working on your vocab list assignment. This is the vocabulary that goes with weather. So listen and then fill in that vocab and then turn in on May 1st what you've got done. There might be still some vocab missing from things we had not covered, but I just want to see that you've got the first few sections of vocab completed by the end of this week. This presentation is going to be on weather expressions. So I'm going to start with the questions, start in French, and then write in English what you should be writing on your vocab sheet. Here we go. Quel ton fait-il? Quel ton fait-il? En anglais. Quel ton fait-il? Quel ton fait-il? Voilà la France. Et voilà qu'il y a des différents tons, oui, en France. Quel ton fait-il? Le ton. Le ton. Le ton. Le ton. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. Pas. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Chaud. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. Il pleut. Il pleut. Il pleut. Il neige. Il neige. Il neige. Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. Il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. Okay, now you're going to go to Quizlet to review the weather. So not months, but the weather vocabulary. So review again the weather vocab. There should be a Unit 8 weather. And then take the test at the end and make sure you upload that to Canvas. Your second assignment for today is to complete this chart. So here in this first column, it says la saison, the season. So you have en hiver, au printemps, en été, en automne. Next, you're going to list the months that go with each season, les mois. So for example, en hiver, you would want to list things like janvier, février, décembre, okay? And then le temps is the weather. So what kind of weather do we have in winter? Il fait froid, il neige would make sense. Try to have at least 2 expressions for each of the weather categories and then submit that to Canvas.